Maintaining your car's appearance is essential not just for aesthetics, but for preserving its overall value. In Houston, professional dent repair services provide quick, cost-effective solutions that prevent depreciation and maintain safety. Even small dents can significantly reduce resale or trade-in value, as buyers often view visible damage as neglect or signs of past accidents. Moreover, minor dents may conceal structural issues, making professional evaluation crucial. Houston's experts use advanced techniques such as Paintless Dent Repair, PDRA modern, non-invasive process that restores dents without affecting the original paint. PDR offers faster turnaround times, lower costs, and better preservation of the factory finish. Reputable repair centers also provide comprehensive services, including scratch touch-ups, hail damage restoration, and paint protection, ensuring both visual appeal and long-term durability. Professional dent repair begins with a detailed inspection to assess the damage and determine the best repair method. Technicians then apply tailored strategies using premium tools, adhesives, and color-matched paints to achieve seamless results that last. Timely repairs prevent rust, corrosion, and escalating damage, all of which can affect a vehicle's lifespan and value. When choosing a repair shop in Houston, customers should prioritize experience, certified technicians, transparent pricing, and service guarantees. Preventive measures like regular maintenance, cautious parking, and prompt damage repair also help retain car value. Ultimately, investing in professional dent repair enhances both the look and longevity of your vehicle, protecting its market worth and ensuring safe, polished performance for years to come. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.